In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a PDF via Gmail step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a really simple process, but if you know the right buttons to click, you can attach and send your PDF in just a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, sign into your Gmail account if you're prompted to do so. After you're in your inbox, look for the Compose button and click it to start a new email. A new message window will open, and this is where you'll prepare your email for attaching the PD. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Make sure the address is correct, because even one small typo can send the file to the wrong person. Then type in your subject line and add your message in the body of the email. Keep it clear and simple so the recipient knows exactly what the PDF is about. Now comes the important part. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the paperclip Attach Files icon. This is what lets you add a file from your computer or device. A file picker window will open, so browse to the location where your PDF is saved. Select the PDF file you want to send, then click Open. Gmail will begin uploading the file into your email. Depending on the size of the PDF and your internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. While it uploads, make sure the file appears correctly attached before you send anything. Once the upload is finished, you'll see the PDF attached to the message. At that point, take one quick final look at the recipient, subject, and message to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, click Send. Gmail will deliver the email along with your PDF attachment to the recipient. And that's it. You've successfully sent a PDF through Gmail. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.